Who's the active person in the photograph? Is it the person taking the picture? Is it the woman saying no? Is it the driver?
Maybe she's trying to hide from the world, but she still wants to be able to see outside.
She's like somewhere, she's not in the room, she's somewhere far away.
This is a picture of a lady. She's looking to me a bit dishevelled. She's lost in thought. I think she looks a little bit sad. I'm not sure what she is. She could be a prostitute, as I first thought when I saw the picture, or could be a nursing mother with a new baby and just taking a minute for herself. She does seem very wistful. Is she thinking, this is it? Is this the rest of my life? And you do get those moments during your life. You just sit there, not looking at anything in particular, but just staring into what's beyond. My gran, she used to sit in the top window, looking out the window, seeing what was happening. When she was younger, she could get out and about, but now she was just sitting there. My gran had quite a hard life in the war and ended up with ulcerated legs. She couldn't get out a lot without help. It's a similar connotation to the picture, you know, someone looking out the window because they either can't go and join in or, you know, just watching the world go by in general.
So yeah, if we were to say woman in the window to you, your first thought might probably go to your grandma.
Yeah.
My opinion, kind of has changed.
A lot of people could actually relate to being trapped inside, not being able to go and do the things that they wanted to do.
And that's interesting as well to think about how much one image can open up a discussion.